What's up guys, in this video I will show you a project that would let normal people like us mine in a decentralized way. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is Bitcoin Minetrix landing page. The link will be in the description of the video. Bitcoin Minetrix stake tokens, mine Bitcoin. And guys, before we head on over to all the details that I would like to share to you, wanted to let you know that there is a pre-sale that's gonna happen in 2 days, 5 hours, 33 minutes to be exact, from the recording of the video. And you can also participate in that pre-sale by going to their website right here. All right, so first and foremost guys, what is Bitcoin Minetrix? Now all of the details are in the landing page, and let me just go ahead and give you a glimpse on what Bitcoin Minetrix is. It is a tokenized cloud mining platform that allows everyday people like us to mine Bitcoin in a decentralized way, and they are tokenizing cloud mining to ensure a secure and transparent experience. Now, if you are asking, or if you would like to know, what is mining, right? So there is two types of mining. You have the cloud mining, and you also have the physical mining, where you need to purchase all of the devices, and the prices can be insane. That would be ranging from $2,000, $3,000, $5,000. And if you are going to like create a mining rig that involves a lot of peripherals, you have the graphics card, you have the entire computer and all that, you can come up to like a whopping 20,000 US dollars or more. All right. And this is the beauty of cloud mining. You know, you will be able to start mining Bitcoin and then, you know, minimize the expenses because you don't have to buy out all those physical equipment anymore. All right. Now, the Bitcoin Minetrix solution is that they present a reliable cloud mining platform for the everyday crypto users. Now, there are a lot of different ways on how you could earn in the crypto industry or the crypto market. You have the buying and the selling, you have buying NFTs, you have playing play to earn games that are crypto based. And cloud mining is also a part on how you could earn in the crypto industry. Now, they also have stake to mine. So if you are new to crypto, there is staking wherein you could buy the token and then you could stake it. That way you could earn interest out of those tokens that you staked. All right, so the stake to mine concept is a novel idea that promises to bring Bitcoin mining back into the realm of possibility for ordinary crypto aficionados for several reasons. So the case for mining, you also have a lot of information right here that you could go ahead and check out. Now, I would also like to encourage you guys to make sure that you read through the white paper, because all of the information about the project is here. And I would strongly encourage you to do your own research. All right. So you have a lot of information that you could grasp here. That way you will know what you are getting yourself into before you start investing in a project. All right. So that is a very, very valuable step in doing your research. Okay. So after reading through the white paper and doing your own research, the next thing that you would like to know is how you can buy, or how you could make your purchase. So how to access Bitcoin mining, you have buy tokens. So you connect your wallet here in the website, and then you could also stake to mine, and then you can earn the Bitcoin. So your staked Bitcoin MTX or BTCMTX will generate mining credits over time. Burn mining credits to purchase Bitcoin cloud mining power, and the more credits you burn, the more Bitcoin you'll earn through cloud mining. So that is the process and how you could start buying and participating in this project. All right, so this is the Bitcoin Minetrix stake to mine dashboard. You can go ahead and check on this one as well. And then, of course, just like what we always recommend, guys, make sure to follow all their social media platform. You have their Twitter, you have their website, of course, and a lot more different social media platforms that you could follow. That way, when things like this, the airdrops, the giveaways, raffles, and all those good stuff, you will definitely be updated. So you can participate in this Minetrix $30,000 mine drop by visiting the website, by following their Twitter account. So you could go ahead and click on that and it will take you and just follow the step-by-step instructions. All right, next one would be the roadmap. This is also a vital information that you want to make sure you check out. That way you would know what are the plans in the pipeline that will be implemented in the future. So phase 1, pre-sale and token distribution, you have the pre-sale, you have all the information there. And then phase 2, you have the platform development and facility setup. You have the detailed bulleted information about that here. And then you also have the phase 3 public launch of stake to mine platform. So the launch, you also have the bulleted information right there. And then you have the mass adoption of the Bitcoin MTX token. So BTC MTX token, mass adoption, continued marketing to push market cap growth, cloud mining rental expansion, and disrupt and shape Bitcoin cloud mining space. All right. And this is the tokenomics of the project, guys. This is also something that you would like to check out. That way you would know, what are the tokenomics and what are the distribution of the tokens according to what it says here. So you have here Bitcoin mining, you have 42.5%, marketing 35%, community 15%, and then staking is 7.5%. The total supply of BTC MTX token is 4 billion. All right, so this is the frequently asked questions area. You could go ahead and check this one out. There are very useful information here that would definitely answer your questions. And then, of course, make sure to stay until the end of the video. Check out the end screen video. I'm sure it will be beneficial for your crypto journey. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.